So we saw in the last example how we can basically set the default position, or what we call the neutral position, for a component. In this segment, I just wanted to show you a quick application of where that can be really useful in creating an exploded view or maybe an alternate position view. So let's do the following. Let's create a scene where we want to explode the cover and these screws. So first thing I'll do is just take any components that shouldn't be visible in this scene, like the chisel and the screwdriver, and I'll just capture a new view with everything that you see here. Okay. Now I want to just grab all the components that are involved in this explode sequence. You'll notice when I select on this, if it turns blue, that means I've selected the assembly level and not the part level. Well, I want to select at the part level. So over in my assembly tree, I'll just unselect the assembly selection mode. And let's now choose the components that we want to move, and that's going to be the 5 screws, control select, and also get the housing here. And then I'll right click and grab my translate handles. I'll shift select to deselect the cover, so now only the screws are still selected, and we'll just explode those out a little bit like so. And I'll save that as a view. So now I have an exploded view, and of course I could add my annotations, explode lines, and so forth. But what if I forgot to create the unexploded view first? Well, an easy way to do that is just to select all of the components that were that we just moved. So make sure you get all of those guys selected, and then simply just go to the Transform toolbar and choose the command Restore Neutral Position. That basically just sends them back to their default position. Whoops, I missed one here. Let's do the same thing for this guy. Restore Neutral Position. Now everything's back in their default position, and I can capture a new view from that. So very quickly, I now have a exploded view and a collapsed view by taking advantage of that Restore Neutral Position, or those neutral properties.